Okay, guys. So I'll give 2 minutes of time. If you have any doubts, you can clear the doubts. So then I will continue with the session, guys. Okay. So yesterday we learned right something. So I'll continue with that. Okay. So let me know if you have any doubts, guys. So okay, guys. Since no one is having doubt now, so I'm going to continue with that. Okay. So concentrate. So yesterday we have learned how to connect the different files. Yes or no? So today we will see how to connect the content which is present in same HTML file. So observe here, this is the early years. So it's present in the same page. It's present in the same page. So how to connect this? Clear? So yes or no? Yes or no, guys? So yesterday we learned links, how to create how to link other pages, different pages. Now today we will see how to link the content which is present in the same page. Okay, so concentrate everyone. So yesterday's whatever I have written, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove, okay, not this page, guys. Okay, this index.html, right? So now I'll remove this whole thing. Concentrate. So observe here, clearly observe. So let me create anchor tags. Okay, I will create one anchor tag. Then I will provide two breaks here. So break into two. So here I will pass HTML. Okay, what I'm passing here? HTML. Similarly, I will copy this, paste here, okay, multiple times. So I will, okay, pass here. I'll make this as CSS. Then I will pass here Java script, okay, Java script. Then I will pass here Angular, okay, Angular. Then I'll pass here, okay, React JS, okay. So it's a React JS. Then, so now save this, guys, save this. So if you reload the page, so we have some links here, yes or no? So let me reduce this to 100%. See, we have some links here, yes or no? We have some links. So my requirement, when I click on this HTML, it should redirect to, it should go to the content which is present in the same page. Okay, it should go to the content which is present in the same page. So what am I supposed to do now? Okay, what am I supposed to do? Concentrate, everyone concentrate. Okay, so now what I do, so same thing, guys, when I click, it should go to that particular content. What I do, so let me use, okay, let me copy some content, guys. I should copy some content, yes or no? So I will copy this content. Okay, I will go here. How to add the textual content to the web pages? Which tag we use? We use paragraph tag. So I need heading, guys. I need some heading. I will use H1 tag, H1 tag. So here, okay. So before H1 tag, I will use HR tag. You know why we use this HR tag? It is going to provide one horizontal line on the web page. See, it is providing horizontal line on the web page. Clear? So now concentrate here, guys. Concentrate. So H1, I will pass after this H1. Inside this H1, I will pass HTML. Clear? So now what I will do, okay, I will use one paragraph. So this paragraph, I will paste the text, whichever I copied. Okay, save this now, save this, go back to browser, reload the page. So I got the text. So understood what I am doing here. Yes or no? Is there any doubt what I have done here? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? So just I have created one H1. Okay, I have passed some content here. Anybody is having any doubts in this what I have done? So I'm creating, okay, just some content so that when the user clicks on this link, it should go to this content. We have not connected. Later we will connect it. Just let me add some content. Clear? So now go back. So the same thing I will copy, guys. Same thing I will copy from the HR tag. I will copy this. Okay. So I will copy now and I will give the name as CSS. Okay. Consider the content belong to CSS. Okay. So now I will paste this. Here I will pass Java script. Next I will pass here Angular. Yes or no? Angular. Then okay, I will pass here. I'll make this as React.js. Okay, React.js. So now save this. Go back. So reload the page. See, my page is looking like this. Understood? Is it looking like correct? Yes or no? Is it correct, guys? Yes or no? Understood this one? Whatever I have done here, let me know. I'm not getting response from your side, guys. So understood what I have done now? Yes, just I have added some content, copy pasted. Nothing I have done, just I have copy pasted. Clear? So now concentrate. Okay, after this, guys, after this. Now, so observe here. Okay, see, for every H1 tag, I am going to pass some ID attribute. ID is equal to HTML. See this, ID is a global attribute. ID is a global attribute. So till now we have learned only two global attributes. What are the attributes? Title and ID. So if you go to college or school, you will be having a unique identification number. Yes or no? Why means in a college, a single, okay, multiple students can have same name. Here also in HTML, okay, in HTML file, we can have multiple tags with the same name. Okay, see, we have multiple H1 tags. Yes or no? So how to identify those tags? How to identify those tags? For example, in college, if the student is having, okay, same name, how you guys are identifying? Let me know. There are 4 students who is having the same name. So how the college is identifying those students? Tell me. Roll number, USN number, surname. Surname also same. What you will do? Huh? If surname also same? Student ID. Yes or no? The ID cannot be same. ID should be different. Similarly, a HTML file can have multiple tags with the same name. Okay, how to identify? With the help of ID attribute. So ID is an attribute which is going to identify the HTML elements uniquely. Okay, remember this, uniquely. So let me pass, okay, let me pass ID here. So the name can be anything, guys. Any name you can pass, but just for your understanding purpose, okay, I'm using the same name so that you can understand clearly. Okay, this ID HTML is referring to the tag H1 tag, which is having the content called HTML. So similarly, I will pass ID is equal to CSS. So here I will pass ID is equal to JS. ID is equal to NG. NG means Angular, guys. Okay. ID is equal to RJS. Is this enough, guys? Okay, so remember the ID names. So save this, go back to browser, reload the page, no changes. Even after passing IDs also, if you click, nothing will happen. So what to do now? How to refer it? See, concentrate. Okay, so when you click HTML, you should refer which ID. Okay, see, I will pass here. How to refer the ID? Very important. ID attribute is very important. How to refer it? See, why it is very important means CSS we use, JavaScript we use, frameworks we use. That is the reason I'm telling very important. So I'll pass here hash. Okay, here I'll pass hash HTML. So the meaning is simple now. When the hash, see guys, hash means what guys? ID. It refers ID. When you pass hash, it refers what? ID. The meaning is simple. When the user clicks on this HTML link, please okay, take the control to the line where the ID HTML is present. Again, I am repeating. When the user clicks, okay, on this link HTML, take the control to the line or else tag, take the control to the tag where, okay, the ID HTML is present. How it is redirecting? Why means you are referring the ID. Understood this guys, this sentence, whatever I have explained? Yes or no? Hash CSS, okay, hash JS, hash NG, hash RJS, okay, hash RJS. So now same thing, go back to browser. So links color will be changed. See, changed here. Now click on HTML, it's taking you to HTML. Click on React.js, it is taking you to React.js. Okay, if you click on Angular, it's taking you to Angular. If you click on JavaScript, it is taking you to JavaScript. If you click on CSS, it's taking you to CSS. Clear with this? Any doubts? Yes or no? Any doubts here? So remember where it is going to redirect to the line where you are passing this ID, to the tag. Directly it is going to that particular tag. So if you want, I will show you. Concentrate guys, early life. Concentrate everyone. You should concentrate this. Early life. Inspect it. Okay, Vijay Lakshmi, I don't know why we use break. You should tell me why we use break. Okay, already I have explained. I have used multiple times. You should tell me why we use break. Okay, one class only, that much only I have explained break and paragraph tag. So I think it's your first class. That is the reason you're asking. If it is your first class, don't ask, leave the session. Okay, join new batch. See guys, I inspected. Reply fast, Vijay Lakshmi. Is this your first class? Vijay Lakshmi, you are asking why we use break. Kiran, I didn't understand your question. Okay, reframe the question. Second class means don't ask Vijay Lakshmi. Who asked you to join? See, again, I'm telling you guys don't know. Okay, I will stop the session. If anyone join without knowing me, I will call Chaitra. I will scold her clearly. If you guys are joining, I will tell your name to her. Then she will take care of you guys. Why you are joining? This is today's sixth class, I think so. Without informing me, how you guys are joining? Have you taken Vijay Lakshmi permission from Chaitra? See, if you have missed the classes, if I'm using here means you should keep quiet. If you want to join the session, if you are not understanding whatever I'm using here, then you should keep quiet. Because everyone knows here who all are attending. Without explaining those things, I'm not using here. Once after explanation only, I'm using in future classes. Okay, I will see. Kiran is asking good question. Next, I will show you that. Okay. if we click on HTML, the whole paragraph should be visible, else it should be hidden. I will show you after this, guys. Okay, I will show you, Kiran. Okay, if we click on HTML, the whole paragraph should be visible, else it should be hidden. Clear? So concentrate, guys. So I was inspecting something. See, I forgot. That is the reason. Okay, while teaching, concentrate and will go somewhere. See, guys, I will inspect. Right click, inspect it. See, in elements section, once you inspect it, guys, once you inspect it, see, you are getting something here, early life. Yes or no? What you are getting, guys? Early life. So this early life is present inside a tag, anchor tag. Which tag? Anchor tag. And they're referring what? Hash early life. Can I say this early life is an ID for that content? Yes or no? Can I say this early life is a content? Okay, early life is an ID for some content. Yes. So now observe here. Click on this. Click on. Remember, for href they are assigning what, guys? Early life as content. Sorry, ID. Hash early life. So right click on. Okay, go to this. Early life is here. We got the content. Right click. Inspect the element. Okay, see, can I say, okay, early life ID they have passed here. They have used the span tag inside H2. Don't ask me what it is. I will teach in CSS. But here, same thing they have used ID as early life. Yes or no? Same thing we have done our code. Understood, guys? See, I'm showing everything here. I'm inspecting, I'm showing for every tag here what we are using. Clear? Yes. Good, guys. So please take down this. Take down this, only this much you take down, okay? No need to take full thing, but you remember this ID value, how to use. Wait, don't take. So again, we have one more thing here, guys. See, guys, so what we have here, in some websites, if you have observed, you should tell me whether you know or don't know. See, sometimes when you click on any link, it will open in new tab. Have you observed? Okay. Have you observed? When you click on any link, sometimes it will open in new tab, sometimes it will open in same tab. Yes or no? Okay. So how to do this, observe here, guys. Okay. So now let me execute my file. So now, see, guys, if I click on CSS, it is going to which content? CSS content. Tell me, is it opening in the same tab or is it is opening in the different tab? It's opening in the same tab or else it is opening in the different tab? Clear? Same tab. So how to open in different tab? Observe here. Not a total, it is target. Okay, observe here, guys. I will pass target attribute. What is the attribute name, guys? Target. Okay. Target is equal to underscore blank you pass. Done. Save this. Go back to browser. Reload the page. Okay, reload the page. Now, how many tabs are there, guys? How many tabs we have here? One or two? Two tabs. Two tabs. How many tabs are there? One. So now observe here. I have passed target is equal to underscore blank. So when you pass target is equal to underscore blank, click on this HTML. It will be opening in a new tab. Click here. Is it opening in a new tab? Yes or no? Yes. But what about this? It remains same. So this one also you should remember, guys. Each and everything, whatever I'm telling. So everything is important, guys. Clear? So take down. I will give, okay, 5 minutes of time. If you have any doubts, you can ask. After that, I'll go to another concept, guys. Okay. Please, you can ask any doubts in links. Smita Paul. It is showing why means it will open your page in different tab, not the content. Target will open the whole page in different tab, not the content. Okay. Hey, nothing is there to take down. I have told you again. You're asking scroll up, sir. Scroll up, sir. Hey, you cannot do in HTML. Okay, it should be in frameworks, not in JavaScript also. Clear? We have to use frameworks. You cannot do here. Sohaib Moinuddin. We cannot provide here. Okay. JavaScript we can do, but we have to write some code. Hey, that is enough. Don't take. That is enough. Okay, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. What is there to scroll down? If you know this one ID, that is enough. No. Like that only you're wasting my time, asking simply silly questions. Or else I would have completed HTML today. Multiple silly questions. See, some of the silly question I'm not reading also. Like that silly questions it is. And some of the questions you're asking from advanced JavaScript and CSS. If it is possible in HTML, I will only show. And whatever you're asking the doubts, if it is there in HTML, I'm explaining. See guys, we have multiple requirements on web technology. I'm not sending the students, okay? Because they are not perfect. Remember, once I conduct the mock, if you're perfect, then only you will attend interviews. Chaitra, we can give anything, okay? Anything we can give. The value. For ID, you can give any name. So, okay. So, concentrate now. So, I'll delete this. I'll copy this paragraph. And let it be like this only, everything. So actually, I don't teach this tag, but someone asked, that is the reason I'm teaching. See, there is something called details tag. Okay, what is the tag name? Details. Okay, details. Tag name is details, remember, okay? So details tag. So you guys, there is one more tag called summary. Okay, what is the tag name? Summary. So you guys tell me, okay, what is details and what is summary? Summary means what and details means what? Tell me guys, what is details and what is summary? Tell me fast. Detail means what? Summary means what? Okay, detail means about the concept. Long explanation, detail, full information. Summary means content of the subject. Detail means information. S. So concentrate. Correct. So detail means what? Depth information, full information, in detail. So summary means what? Brief, okay, explanation, brief explanation. Okay. So see, someone has given very good. In details, we can write the details of the person. Sir, in summary means we write the whole story of the person. Wrong. Summary means just a brief introduction. Okay. So now observe here. See guys, we have details tag and we have summary tag. And details tag should be inside summary tag only. Details tag should be inside what? Summary tag. So inside summary tag, whatever you pass, it will be displayed on the web page. So inside summary tag, whatever you pass, that will be displayed on the web page. Am I passing something inside the summary tag? So what it is, I am passing H1. So now outside the summary tag, I will paste some paragraph. So only the content which is present inside the summary tag, that will be displayed on the web page. Rest outside the summary tag, whatever you are passing, that will be hidden. That will be hidden. Outside means, remember, it should be inside details. It should be inside details. Clear? So now save this. Go to Google. Sorry, reload the page. See, what is displaying, guys? HTML is displaying, yes or no? Yes or no? So click on this. See, is it displaying? Or else it is not looking good, right? It's not looking good. Go back here. Go back. I will show you what to do. Okay, I will show you what to do. Delete this, everything. Okay, delete this. Delete this. Now, this summary, whatever we have, this summary, right? So inside summary, I will pass HTML. Inside summary, I'll pass HTML. Save this. Go back. Reload the page. See, I'm getting now. Sir, I want in H1 format means you put this summary inside, okay, H1. So I'll pass H1. Then I'll close H1 tag here. Okay. I'll close H1 tag here. Save this. Now reload it. Okay. Why? Okay. It's displaying details. It's displaying only the details. Click on this. HTML is not visible. Okay, guys. Okay, if you want bold, we can pass CSS properties, not mandatory this. If you want bold thing, we can increase font spacing. So now just remember this one. We can increase. Okay, we have some CSS properties, but don't use now. So you don't know. Just I'm showing if you want bold. Okay, font weight colon bold. Then I'll pass here a font size. Font size colon. I'll make this as a 100 px or 50 px. So now it's a look good. Okay, 500 px. See, like this you can increase. Okay, it works. Done. So clear, guys. Don't write this. Okay, don't write this. Just for your understanding purpose. Else you guys will think, no, sir, don't know. He has done some mistake. Write this. Understood this one? Like this, you can create multiple details and summary tag. Someone asked this. That is the reason I have explained. Actually, I don't explain in the class all those things. Clear with this? So any doubts you can ask, guys. Any doubts you have, you can ask me. So guys, please take down this. Take down the screenshot of this. Is it visible? So I have displayed some slide here. Yes or no? Take down the screenshot of this. Take down fast, guys. Okay, take down. See, I have explained everything here. Okay, the parent, this is default one. That is the reason I don't, okay, explain in the classes. Take down fast. Done, guys, done. Take down this, guys. This is assignment you have to do. I'm not going to explain. Very simple, very easy it is. Table tag. Take down this as an assignment and let me know once you have taken. I'll change the slide. So okay, guys. Okay. So now I will start forms. Okay. I'll teach half of the part today, half of the part tomorrow. So if I complete this, very important, we will be okay going to CSS. Clear? So now I'll give 5 minutes of time to you guys. So just research about form and I will ask some questions. You should answer this. Okay. So why means if I want to know whether you know or not, because if you know this easily, you can understand this concept. Clear, guys? Yes or no? So it's 1:12. I will start exactly after okay 5 minutes. Till then, research, Google, do whatever you want. You should know form. Okay, why we use, what is the advantage of this, everything. Clear? Clear? This is the main part. Okay, in HTML. This is a very very important part. I'm asking something. Understood what you have to do? Okay, please go through this. Any website, Google it, whatever you want, you do. Okay, so just let me answer. I will ask. Okay, Sridhar, tell me. Tell me why we use Sridhar, you have to answer. Okay, I will turn on your mic. You answer. I will allow you to talk. Answer why we use form. Let me unmute you. Sridhar. Okay, Sridhar. Okay, Sridhar. Tell now. You can talk. Sridhar, explain. I have unmuted you. You can explain. You don't do anything. I am doing here. You don't do anything. I am unmuted. Talk you. You explain.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, audible. Tell me.
Forms, sir, forms.
Forms. Why we use?
It is an user interface which is used to. Hello, I'm audible.
You are audible. Tell me.
Forms are a user interface used to collect some data. Used to input some data.
Why we collect some data?
Used to input, sir.
What you will do with that input?
If I hello.
Okay. Leave. I'll explain. Okay. Okay, guys. So remember, so many of you have researched and have got some correct answer also. So now observe here. See, guys, I will show you something. Okay. Actually, it is a Node.js application. Okay. It's Node.js application. So I will show you. Okay. So now I'll open this Node 1 CMD code space dot. Concentrate, guys. Clearly concentrate. You don't ask me what is the code it is. You will not understand also. If you ask, I'm not going to explain also. So just remember here, okay? Listen carefully, guys. Listen carefully. Which used to create forms on pages. Why we use forms and used to create forms on pages and. So let me open this. Okay, terminal is it's opening. It's taking some time. Once it's, I will show you. Yeah, guys, running node. nodemon, it's Node.js project, okay, nodemon. So here I will pass mong. Okay, first I should change, okay, directory. Change the directory. See nodemon. So here I'll pass mongo db.js, mongodb.js. Okay, let me run the server. So I'm running the server. Okay, security error. Nodemon cannot be loaded because of links. Okay, I cannot learn here. So close this. Okay, I'll go to this command prompt. I'll run server here. So see, you'll understand why we use this data. Okay. So nodemon. So first let me pass a mongodb nodemon mongodb.js. Say server should start. Okay, first it's starting. So server started. Okay, server started. Done. Server is running on port 5000. So I'll go to browser. So when I open the server, always I'll face problems, guys. Wait, you will understand clearly what I'm telling. Why we use forms, okay? How it is performing the things. Okay, so observe here. So our server is running on some local host port. It's a live server. Yesterday I have shown, okay, one live server, right? That's dummy server. Oh, it's not responding. Okay. I don't know why it's behaving like this. See, after time it's open multiple tabs. Okay, so I'll execute in a local host. Okay, so guys, I have one form here. Okay, so you can also create like this, not in HTML, in CSS, guys. Okay, in CSS you can create. Then, so now observe here. I'll fill here. I will show you my database. Okay, real-time database. So reload this. So or else I'll go to connect to. So this is my local database. I will show you MongoDB database it is. And remember this thing, whatever I'm showing, just the concept you remember. Okay, finally it's opening. Okay, opened. Both the things are same. Where it is? Wait, guys. Yeah, guys, I got this. Concentrate. I got this. I don't want the rest of the databases. I'll close here. See, I got this. See, this is my students database, guys. Okay, and this trainers. Observe here now. Observe here. Everyone observe here. So let me delete all the documents. We will use one. Okay, guys. Audible now. Now audible. Now audible. So observe here, guys. Okay. So go to database. Reload. Why I don't know. System hanged. I should not open actually. See, fully hanged the system. Okay, it's users. It's a trainers, guys. Okay, the database name is trainers here. Let me check, guys. Okay, I'll wind up. I will show you because server is hanging my system. I will not open any advanced concepts. So again, it is running, guys. So go to browser, reload the page. See, this is my database, which is empty now. So now what I do, I will go here, where it is, okay, here. I'll fill, okay. See, first name Sayyed, second name Imran, some email ID, my mobile number, and the address. Submitted, guys. So data submitted successfully, okay. So now go back here and reload reload this. See, the added the data here. So here this is a first name, last name, Imran. Remember this first name, remember this last name, remember this email, mobile. These are the keys which I have passed. You will get to know, okay. In future, you will get to know. But you remember this one, okay? You remember this one. Clear? So understanding, I will pass, okay? No, sir, you have done something. I will add whatever the name you will tell. I'll add, okay? Sheila, okay? Here I'll pass Leela. Okay, last name is Leela. Dinga @gmail.com. Okay, .com. So now I will pass, I will remove @. So number, let it be like this only. Submit it. Okay, see, email is not valid. So like this, I will show you, but not storing the data. It's see, let me submit it. See, the data is submitted. See, reload this. Added here, sir. No? The database is added. Sheila, Leela. So understanding what is happening here, guys. So why we use forms, guys? To store the data, to collect the data from the user. Okay, to collect the data from the user. Why we required this data for future purpose. For example, if you are going, okay, to register for your Aadhaar card, so they are storing your data. You are storing your data, okay, inside. You are providing your data through the form. They are storing in Aadhaar card server. So Aadhaar's server, UAIDA something is there. So there in their server, they are storing their data. Yes or no? Once they store their data, what is the use of the data? How they are storing? When you go to registration for Aadhaar card, they will be adding your data to the form, HTML form. Yes or no? Okay, they are accepting through the HTML form and storing it, okay, in a database. So consider they stored your Aadhaar card is created. When you go to any, okay, for example, when you go to, okay, purchase a SIM, when you go to register for a DL, then they will ask your Aadhaar card. Then they will cross verify your data which you have registered already, which is stored in Aadhaar cards server. So why means, guys, data is very important. So whenever we collect the data from the form, we store it for future purpose. Same thing, simple example, which already you know. When you came to JSpiders, we have provided one sheet of paper. You have filled that sheet of paper, and with that same details, whatever you provided in that paper, now we have added to the server. How we added, guys? Through the form. So remember, any programming language you use in backend, any program, it can be any programming language in backend, but okay, without this, okay, form, you cannot store the data from the front end. Remember, okay, without this form, you cannot store the data from the front end. So how to design this, I will show you. It is a CSS part. Understood, guys? Understood why we use forms? Okay, without storing the data, okay, we cannot send the data to the backend. So form is the only thing. Remember, form is the only thing which allows us to, okay, store the data to the database from the front end. So you can store any kind of data, image kind of data, number kind of data, mail kind of data, textual type of data, and video type of data. Any kind of data you can store inside the database. But how you will store, guys? How you will store? With the help of form. This is the only thing by using which you can collect the data from the user from front end part and you can store it. Understood, guys? Nowadays, wherever you go, any website, if you want to register, you have to fill the data. Through the form only you are filling. They are not providing any normal okay, sheet of paper to you, guys. Clear, guys? Understood this one? Yes or no? Yes? Understood. So tomorrow we are going to learn, okay? And remember, Google form also same thing, guys. Google any form, guys, any form, not only Google form, any form you are getting. Okay, it belongs to what? HTML forms. Any kind of form it is. Without this HTML forms, you cannot store the data. And remember one thing, tomorrow sharp 12:30 you guys join, because a little bit lengthier concept it is. I don't want to drag it to, okay. So next class till 1:30, okay, till 2 o'clock I will take. Please join at sharp 12:30. I'll start the session at sharp 12:30 and till, okay, 2 o'clock I will continue. Clear, guys? And I will complete tomorrow HTML. From Monday we will see CSS. Okay, Saturday no class. Clear? So, and we have okay, announcement for the requirements, guys. Okay, please concentrate on the requirements. See, whenever, okay, he's announcing the requirement, please write it down. Why means in future, if you get the same requirements, easily you can get the requirements. Clear? Matadi Vignesh. Vignesh Matadi. Vignesh, ನೀವು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಡಿಬಲ್.
Complete my word, okay?
Company name Lumen Data, 80% throughout, 1920, 80% throughout 1920, B Tech, any stream, 80% throughout and above, okay, 10. Am I audible? Again, I repeat, Lumen Data, 80% throughout, B Tech, any stream, only core Java. And the next requirement,
Vignesh chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Acolyte 60% throughout.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ತುಂಬಾ. ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Drop ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
I have shared the requirement in chat box, guys. Okay. Lumen data 80% throughout. Remember, Lumen data 80% throughout. 2019 and 2020 pass outs. 2019 and 2020 pass outs. BE or BTech. Okay, BE or BTech. Any stream, guys. Any stream. I know many of you don't have a percentage here, but if you are eligible, you can attend. Okay, Java completed candidates, package 4 to 5 lakh. Okay, 4 to 5 lakh. Interview rounds online process. Job location Hyderabad. Clear, guys? Clear with this requirement? I was audible, right? Yes, guys. So register, please. Okay, if you are eligible, please register. See, very good package and very good company. So if you are eligible, please register it. Any further queries, you can call Vignesh and you can contact him, guys. Okay. So any queries you can call, you can contact. See, still you have 80%, guys. I'm telling one thing. Okay, one idea. Consider you have 80%. You have not completed with Java, still pursuing with Java. Then anybody is there like this? We have 80%, sir. 80% throughout, but still we are pursuing Java. Anyone is there? I'll talk to Vignesh to add you to the interview. Hey, I am getting yes sir, that's all. 80%, yes sir, 80% reply. How many of you are there? Yes sir, 80%. How many of you are there? 80%. Just reply, yes sir, I'm having 80%. Now only we'll call Vignesh and I will inform him to add you guys because we don't get multiple candidates. Still pursuing Java also, okay. Are you guys pursuing Java? See, as rest of the students you can leave, okay. If you have doubts, you ask now. Or is 80% student, please reply guys, please reply. You can contact to HRs and ask HR. Sayed sir told me, okay, to contact you. Please add me to that requirement, sir. I am having 80%. Shruti, you call to Vignesh, okay. And Pushpa, you also call to Vignesh. Okay, call immediately. I will also call him, okay. Only 2 students. Shruti and Pushpa, you contact Vignesh, okay, don't forget. Pushpa and Shruti. So, okay guys, okay, if you don't have any doubts, you can leave. Okay guys, bye bye. Please join the session tomorrow at sharp 12:30 guys. Don't forget, okay?